Okay, so long here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. I'm from the U.S.
Please repeat again where are you from?
In the Virginia in the United States.
Okay. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
Oh wow. I know about it, but I've never been.
Okay.
Never been.
South Asia.
I say it like Bangladesh. I probably am butchering that.
Okay.
Butchering. Thank you, loves.
Do you wanna come here for vacation?
Yeah, from America. I think so. I was just talking to somebody. I think I can use my ID as a passport now, but I'm not 100% sure.
Oh, okay. When you will make your passport?
Yeah, I do need to get a passport. I really do. I've never been out of the country. I've never been out of my country.
Okay.
Yeah, what a shame. I've been all over my country, really, but I've never been out of the country. What do you mean, okay, thank you? Don't leave. Don't quit.
Okay.
That's not fair. That's cheating. Don't quit on me. You gotta stick around. What do you like to do for fun?
Nothing. Stay here.
You don't like to do anything for fun?
No. I'm just spending time to you.
Oh. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks for staying.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28.
How old do I look?
I'm 27.
You're 36?
27.
37? Wow, you do not look 37 either.
27.
Oh, I was about to say you do not look 37. I'm 28. I'm a year older than you.
Yes. Okay.
Do I look older than you?
Yeah.
He said yeah! Oh my god! The shade. Okay. When I thought you said 37, I was about to be like, no way.
No problem. Age doesn't matter.
Yeah, no.
Age doesn't matter.
Yeah. That's true.
Do you have dog?
Huh?
Do you have dog?
Yeah, that's what you keep hearing.
Okay.
Stop. Yeah, that's my dog you keep hearing barking in the back. He is so annoying, but if I let him out here, he's going to try to steal our food that we have out.
Okay.
That's why he's barking, because we have food.
Okay.
Gonna beat ya. Just have to keep threatening them. I never do it. That's why I just have to keep. They don't believe me. Yeah, they know. I'm just talking.
How many times in a day you provide food for your dog?
2 times a day. I do it in the morning and then right before dinner, and then I put it up.
Okay. So what do you do for your living?
You have dogs?
No. I don't have dog.
I work with puppies.
Okay. I have just one cat.
Oh, you have cats?
Yeah.
Aww. What color is your cat?
White.
Aww. Is it a boy or a girl?
No, it's boy.
Oh, I love a boy cat. I had an all black boy cat before named Geralt, and he was the best cat I'd ever owned. He was the best pet I'd ever had. Thank you for staying. You're a real trooper. I appreciate you.
I also appreciate you.